everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Shadrach Kwe channel, and we are going to look at the multiplexers, which is the 16 to 1 multiplexer. And in 16 to 1 multiplexers, we need the selected lines, which is the 4 selected lines, which is x0 to s3. And to look on the truth table that I've drawn, we have S3, S2, S1, and S0. Then output, which is the Y. So if you look at the truth table, there is 0, 0, 0, 0, which will be the D0. So we are going to use the truth table to draw our multiplexer, and we're starting with the D0, which is 0, 0, 0, 0, 4. So let's draw our multiplexer now. So we start with 0, 0, 0. We connect the S3. Connect the S3 to our first AND gate. Then S2, passing through the NOT gate. Passing through the NOT gate. Then the S1, S0, sorry. Then to look at our truth table, the next one is D1, which is the selected lines. It's 0, 0, 0, 1. So we are going to apply the inputs to it. So let's do that too. So 0, 0, 1. So in this case, you tap it from there, right from here. So 0, sorry, there's a mistake here, I think. Okay, it's cleared now. So this one to 0, the other line to 0, and this one is 1. So the 1, they have to be come downwards, which is the S0. It should be downwards. So I like to check my lines before I move to the next line. So let's check for D0. See, it's on. So the D1 is 0, 0, 0, 1. Let's on it, and it's on. So now let's check for D2, which is 0, 0, 1, 0. And looking at the selected lines is 0, 0, 1, 0. So we use the same lines to do. So we start it from here. It's 0. Tap it from the 0 input. Then 0. Then our S1 is 1. So that means you have to drag it downwards to S1. Then the S0 is 0. So tap it here. So let's check this. And it's 1. It's correct. So let's move on to the next one, which is the D3, and D3 says 0, 0, 1, 1. So let's apply that one to it. So 0, 0, 1, 1. That means here it will be 0. Here it will be 0. And here will be 1. So we tap it from here. And here will be also 1. So let's try for the next one. Let's check whether it's correct or not. So it will be 0, 0, 1, 1. Let's switch on, and it's on. So we are going to use all the selected lines. Okay, so let's start with our D4. Let's continue with our D4, which is 0, 1, 0, 0. So we take the 0 from here, which is the 0 line S3, selected line 3. Then we take our 1. So our 1 will bring it downwards to here, to S2, Then our next one will be 0, so we tap it from the S1 0. Then the last one, which is the S0, the S0 here, also 0. So let's check whether our line is correct. So it will be 0 1 0 0. So let's check. It's on. So let's continue, and we are going to do the D5 also says 0 1 0 1. So 0 1 0 1. So let's continue from there. It's 0 1 0 1. So 0, tap it from there, the S3, the selector line 3, 0, and this one is 1, tap it from the 1. The next one will be 0, tap it from the S1, selected 1, then S0 will be 1. So 1, tap it here. So let's check whether our line is okay. So 0 1 0 1, check for D5, and it's on. So let's continue with D6. Let's continue with D6. Use the truth table to D6. So D6 is 0 1 0 1 0. So let's do that one too. 0, which is here, 1 here, 1 0. So let's check. 0 1 0 1 1 0. So let's check. It's on. So you apply all the inputs of the truth table to the multiplexers, the AND gate. So let's do that quickly. Okay, so this is it. We are done with it. I've input everything here. So now we are about to check everything. You start from the D15, so say you see everything is cool. So 1 1 1 1, which is the D15. Check whether it's correct, and it's on. So let's check for D14. So let's do for the 14 D14. So let's check for it, which is 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0. Sorry, 1 1 1 0. This is on. So since I've done everything, use the table. So D13 will be 1 1 0 1. So let's check for that one too. 1 1 1 0 1. Let's check for D13. So that is it for tonight. For today, we are done for today, and this is the 16:1 multiplexers. Thank you very much.